On to question 12 of 2023. We have a construction question. You can see we have a triangle inside these arcs between the different vertexes. Now we're going to construct an axis of symmetry, and let's go through this with some steps. So we can choose this side. We're going to get an axis coming up here. Okay, through that. So step one, just place your compass here. Okay, swing an arc out here from point C. Now on to step two, do likewise from the other side, point A vertex, and make sure that they overlap. Now we're going to repeat again on the left hand side. So we're going to go to swing two arcs. Okay, keep your compass fixed at the same measure as the original arcs. Now all we need to do is line up the axis between the points of intersection and denote this as our axis of symmetry.